Hey, what's up guys, my name is Swapnil Srivastava and welcome back to YouTube channel. So guys, today this will show you that how can you run the Windows 10 with the help of the cloud computing provided by the VMware on your Android phone. So this platform is called the VMware Labs and there are different types of the labs they will provide. For example, for any specific purpose, for doing the app development, you will find a different lab, and for doing the research on the networking tools, you will find different lab. So basically each lab represents a different virtual machine. So for doing any sort of the app development, you will find different virtual machine, and for doing any specific task, you will find their specifically designed virtual machine. And these are the free service provided by the VMware. If in the case you will talk about the Google or Microsoft, they provide their own cloud computing platform, but they charge for it. But for VMware, you can easily use it for free. Okay. So the process is pretty simple. You simply have to follow along with me, and you will also have the cloud computing with the Windows 10 pre-installed in it, and with the some important tools which comes also pre-installed in it, like the VS Code, that is the Visual Studio Code for the coding purpose, or some different software related to the networking. So you can simply use it for your educational or research purpose for free. So let's start the video without wasting any more time. Here you can see guys, I'm on a smartphone. So first of all, go to the description, you'll find a link and open it in any of your favorite browser. Here you can see, so it will open something like this. So basically this is in a shortened URL page, so don't worry, simply slide down and here you have to simply click on this I am not a robot, and here you have to simply submit this captcha. So what is it asking? Select all the images with vote. So here it is, this one and this one. Click on verify and just slide down. Click here to continue. Now click on back button. So it will open something like this. So just wait here for 12 seconds. Now you can see, so the timer is completed. Now just slide down and click on the get link. Click on back again and it will land you to this website. So this is the official website of the VMware. So what you have to do here, you simply have to create an account. Click on this login and register, and here you have to click on the register. So just make sure that you write the correct email and your name, and then you have to click on the sign up. So first of all, let me type my mail. So here you can see guys, I given my name and my email. Now simply click on the sign up. So you can see there will be an here you can see, so there will be an email sent to your account that you given earlier, and just open that email. Like here you can see I got this mail. So in the email you will find a token. So you can see this is my token. I will copy it and I will click on the link given in the email. So click on this link. Now select any of your browser like Chrome here, and here you have to type the token. So just paste the token here and click on submit. You can see now it will open something like this. So it will ask you some basic question like what is your favorite color. So if in case you forget your password, it will be helpful for you. So I will type my details here, just wait. So here you can see, so after giving all the details, you make sure that you remember this, because if in the case you forget your password, it will come in use. Okay, so after giving all these details, simply click on the update security questions. So here it will ask for you the password. So create a new password. So just type here any password. So let me type it. So here you can see, just give a new password here and simply click on the set password. Click on this. You can see the password is saved. Now click on the continue. So here you'll find different sort of the labs. For example, you can see in the all labs section, you'll find the lightning labs, you'll find the app modernization lab, you'll find a digital workspace, you'll find the multi-cloud. So basically each lab is a different cloud computer, and it comes with a pre-installed software related to that specific lab. For example, if you click on this lab detail, you will find that these labs come for the specific purpose called
getting started with the app and desktop virtualization. So if you will turn on every single lab, you will find that there are some pre-installed software comes inside it. So if you want to use for a basic use, so for that simply click on the new lab, and here you have to click on this virtualization 101. Now click on the enroll. You can see it's enrolling you into this lab, and after that you will be easily able to turn it on. Okay, so you can see it's taking some time to open. So simply click on this start this lab, and it will take some time to turn on the computer and connect you to that computer. Okay, so here you can run some test, or even you can just start the lab directly. So I will click on the start lab, and here click on these three dots, and now click on the desktop site. Now click on the start lab again. Now you can see it's showing the starting lab. This may take few minutes, so just wait here. So there are plenty number of this software which comes pre-installed in this virtual computer, and you can use it for your educational purpose or for your programming and for any basic purpose you normally use. So if you don't have any PC or laptop, you can simply use this VMware lab and just learn it. And if you are working on any project, you can simply use the Visual Studio Code which comes pre-installed in it. Okay, so simply click on this no thanks, and now here you can see, so this is the Windows 10 which is running on the VMware website, and you are just going to control it. So first of all, click on this full screen option. So right now you can see this is the full screen, and make sure that your internet connection is good. So right now I'm using the Jio 4G and it's running very fine. Now click on the start button. So here you can see, so this is the start button. Now click on the all program, and even you can see there are some plenty of the software which comes pre-installed. So you can see you find the PuTTY for the SSH connection, or even you will find the PowerShell and the VS Code also. You can use the Internet Explorer or the Google Chrome and Notepad++. And when you click on the all program, you will find some different other programs which comes pre-installed. Like you will find the Postman. If you do any sort of the coding or the Android app development, you can use the Postman for the backend purpose, or even you can use the Visual Studio Code. So let me turn on the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I accidentally click on the some different app. Let me close it. Now click on this again and click on the all program, and let me open the Visual Studio Code. The desktop class Visual Studio Code running on your smartphone and with the help of the cloud computer provided by the VMware. So this is very much useful for all the student who don't have any PC. They can use this and just practice their coding question. Okay, and you will find it Google Chrome here, and there is some other, and you will find Google Chrome, and you will and here you will find the Google Chrome, and even you will find a game called VMware Odyssey. So you can also run this game and play, and with the Visual Studio Code you can practice your coding question. Okay, so I hope guys you will like this video, and there are different type of the cloud computer also available in it. So if you want to close this one, simply click on this cross. It will exit you from the full screen, and here you have to simply click on the power down. Click on the power down. It will turn off the virtual machine. So you can see it's powered down, and if in case your trial version is completed, you can just create any other account with the different Gmail. So there is not any issue with that. Now click on this end, click on the confirm, click on this cross. Now go back to the official site here. So here you can see this is the list of the all the labs available. You can just check it out For example, in the digital workspace, you will find some different apps comes pre-installed, and in the interscenic security, you will find some different type of the apps comes pre-installed. Okay, so if you face any issue, just go to the description to find my Instagram profile link. Go and follow me there and message me there. I will try to help as much people I can. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.